When your Vornado heater fan stops working, a few simple checks can usually pinpoint the problem. Start by making sure the heater is plugged into a working wall outlet and test the outlet with another device to confirm it has power. Look for a power or indicator light and turn the thermostat higher, since the fan may not activate if the set temperature is already reached. If the heater overheated, it will shut off automatically as a safety measure. Unplug it, clear any objects blocking the air intake or outlet, wait about 5 to 10 minutes for it to cool down, then plug it back in and try again. Also, check the tip-over safety feature. Vornado heaters shut off if tilted too far, so place the unit fully upright on a flat surface to reset it. If the fan still doesn't run, dust buildup is the most common next cause. Over time, dust can clog vents or restrict the fan blades, making the motor shut down. Unplug the heater and use a vacuum with a brush attachment to clean the front grille and air inlets. Compressed air can help remove dust from tight areas inside the vents. The motor itself doesn't need oiling, but it relies on good airflow to stay cool. In rare cases, a blown thermal fuse can permanently stop the fan, which requires professional repair. Always unplug the heater before cleaning, and if the unit still won't work, contact Vornado support rather than opening it yourself to avoid safety risks or voiding the warranty.